welcome to the OLT vlog. So you've been assigned your first online teaching gig and you're asking the same question that all new online educators have asked. How do I take what I do well in the physical classroom and replicate that in a virtual one? Now, answering this question is complicated for even the most experienced of online educators. For new educators, the best way to get started answering this question is to start creating videos. Now, your first video is not going to be perfect, and I'm not going to lie, you'll probably hate it. But it is the first step in creating an incredible online learning experience for your learners. Creating videos helps the materials you're covering come alive for these students. Video captures your unique delivery that has made you successful in the brick-and-mortar classroom. Learners can get to know you beyond your lecture notes. They can see your face, hear your voice, and read your body language. Yet for many educators, creating online videos seems like a daunting process, but I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be. For new educators, we do recommend the Screencast-O-Matic, link below, because of its easy-to-use format. We recommend that you start with something simple, such as a video announcement, to help you get started using the technology and getting comfortable in front of the camera. Announcements are much less formal than a typical lecture and allow you to be more personal with your learners. Once you've mastered that, you'll be ready to create your first lecture video, with the help of the OLT, of course. If you want to learn more about creating your first video, using Screencast-O-Matic, or storyboarding your first lecture, check out the resources in the Online Learning Toolkit, and don't forget to subscribe.